This is Brianna with journal number 2 for EDAD 606. A time where I had to think outside of the box to solve a problem was a couple of years ago when my grade level team and I decided to departmentalize. Departmentalizing is not a common practice, especially in my district for the elementary schools, so it was something new with a lot of questions that needed to be answered. As a team, we worked together to figure out a schedule of how our kids would rotate and still receive their allotted minutes in each subject. And we also had to come up with a plan of how we were going to explain to parents what this meant and how it was going to work for them, since at the elementary level, they're used to having their student have one teacher all day long for all subjects, and now it was going to change. So there were a lot of things that we had to look at from a different perspective because it had never been done before and determine how it was going to work for us. We also had to prepare a presentation to present to our principal and to our district on why this would be good for our fifth grade students and why it would be a benefit to them as opposed to having one teacher all day long. So we really had to do our research and kind of pull creatively different ideas and information to share with them so that we could departmentalize. A situation a principal might find themselves in where they have to reframe a problem is when developing classes for the next school year. It can be a challenge with all the different students and finding the best fit for the students with each teacher. So some things I thought about where they could, when there is a problem that they could do to help reframe the problem would be to rethink the question. Instead of asking us, where am I going to put this challenging student? It's going to be, what room will this student succeed in the most? And reframing the question to ask it in a different way to help with coming up with new ideas. Another thing that we could do is to brainstorm all ideas. A lot of time in terms of brainstorming, we focus on what are just good ideas for brainstorming. And instead of focusing on just the good ideas, brainstorm everything, because a good idea could come from an initial brainstorm of a not so good idea. And the other thing would be to challenge the limitations in the rules. When we departmentalize, we challenge the rules and kind of things that our district had been doing to do something new. The one thing to do would be to look at what's holding us back from doing this, why is it holding us back, and what is the way that we can get around it. And I think when it comes to building classes, it's one of the challenges to try to find that best location for each student. So coming around the limitations of what will work for this student, what won't work for this student, how can we maybe change the schedule, change the rotation of classes around to meet the needs of each student.